누가 이렇게 말을 안 들으라 그랬어? 어? 어? 언니랑 오빠하고 바깥에서 놀게 놔두라고 아빠가 그랬어 안 그랬어? 어? 너가 밖에 같이 따라 나가면 난리치니까 어? 일요일엔 가만히 놔두라고 아빠가 그랬어 안 그랬어? 응? 언니랑 오빠 좀 내버려둬 알았어? 그리고 아빠랑 있어 여기 알았지? 축구도 보고 같이 얼마나 좋아 응?
Bruh. You go read yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so we go by the fence, right?
Up to the fence, yeah. 맛있어?
It's very light, actually.
I don't. You know why? Because it doesn't have a motor. Like it's like the Tesla.
And then here you just pull it.
Uh-huh.
After you pull it, there we go.
Oh, you forgot the one thing.
What?
What are you forgetting?
Oh, the bag.
Mm-hmm. Google most important, yeah, or else that's gonna like just go wherever it wants to go. Oh my god. Jordan's gonna do that now.
I know, right? Let me put it in the face side.
You got a brake here. Oh wait, where's your brake? I thought you had a brake on
I
this.
have a brake here.
No, I thought that was a brake, but it's the inches. This one here.
Okay, so it is properly installed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think so. It looked like it to me.
So I pull it and then turn it on.
Yeah, hold it up and then push start. Hey,
Nothing.
왜 안 돼?
이거.
잠깐만. 이거 해.
I think we might have to read the instruction again.
Push it in. Oh, there you go.
No, it was like that earlier.
No, it says
What?
push and hold.
Push and hold.
Yeah, push and then hold the thing. 오. 엄마. 오, 잘했어, 아저씨. Oh my god. 아유, 잘했네. Daddy, I kind of want to try.
Huh?
Can I try?
Yeah. We see that button?
이거?
And then?